So come with me. Let's gonna unbox my parcel from what you call this, Shein or Shein. I don't know how to say that.
Shein.
Shein, yeah, Shein. So let's gonna unbox, guys, what's inside, and yeah, let's go. So let's go, guys. Let's unbox. Mag-unbox ta, guys. Unboxing daw. So I don't know what I ordered, but because this is more than 1 week already since I ordered. You know, it takes so long to deliver here in our place because we are in the remote area. So let's find out, guys, what I ordered in Shein that I didn't know. I forget. Charot. So this is from Shein. Shein? Correct? Something like that. So my ano is short. Let's get higher this stool chair. What you call this? Stool? Stool, yeah. It's lower. So don't mind the background, guys. We have dog food there or etc. You can see it. Oh, this is it.
Now you remember.
I remember now what I ordered. So this one, I don't know what's this. Why I have this? What's this for?
Shopping boards, is it?
Ah, yeah. Because we have plenty of shopping board, guys. Like there's a big one and small and medium, and it's really hard to put everywhere. So I decided to order this. Oh, it's nice. It's very sturdy, guys. Look. So this is for the shopping board. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. You can put 4 shopping board in there. Next is, what's this? This is brush, guys, which is like when you clean your laptop or in the car, that it's really hard to clean.
You can't use it to egg wash a pie, no?
Yeah, you use this in your pie, no? Like this, guys. Oh, you just brush, and then there's a small piece of, I don't know what is this.
The cloth.
Cloth.
Screen of your phone or computer.
I think you can put that as well here. You can exchange. So I don't know why I ordered this, maybe because our laptop, guys, needs cleaning. The keypad is like hung, loads of dust. Next is, what's this? Guys, oh, I don't know what's this. What is this? Let's open so we will know. What's this? What's this for? This is for the, when you are in the car, guys, you can put your cell phone here.
It goes in the air vent in the car, yeah?
Yeah, like that, guys, because I like doing picture in the car or vlog, but in my iPhone 12, it's like a bit, it's a bit loose in my iPhone 12. Maybe my iPhone 13 Pro Max is gonna fit here because it's really, it's quick to fill off.
You not squeeze it together?
No, it's just like this. I don't know. Very loose, but I think it's fine. It's shaking. No, you cannot. It's just like that. So yeah, this is the second item that I ordered, guys. And next is, what's this? What's this? This is the one, guys. I know. This is for the cleaner as well. Like for example, in the car, that it's really hard to clean in the area, like in the cloth, or you can gel. Yeah, it's like I can't read because look, it's like Chinese or Japanese. It's like gel, as you can see. gel. So yeah, I don't know why I ordered that. Kasi I always clean the car. I am the only one cleaning inside, and it's really hard for me to clean there.
That's
So
his privilege.
so my husband is very lazy to clean inside.
I'm the driver.
He's the driver, I am the cleaner. Yeah. And this one is for the drawer, guys. Like, what you call this?
Drawer liner.
Yeah, drawer liner. Kitchen, I don't know, something like that that you can put in the
Bottom of the drawer.
in the bottom, so your things it's clean or whatever. Yeah. Next is, I don't know what's the next, guys. It's different box inside. It's big box. I ordered cell phone case. It's not yet.
It's a big cell phone.
Maybe it's different parcel. So no more here. It's empty. It's really big box, but that's it only because they have another box inside. So let's open because I don't know what's inside. Because this is more than 1 week ago since I ordered. Oh. Big box, guys, but look what's inside. Charan!
A life container.
My life container, guys. This is where I put my rice. Because I don't have, it's always there, guys. Oh, as you can see. You see that one? See that one there? There's yellow sacks. That's my rice still there, so I don't have proper container. So this is only I have, guys, for this time. I still have parcel coming, but it didn't arrive yet. It's already more than 1 week, but it's understandable because we are living in a remote area. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, guys.